Traders, what is up? Man, what a fabulous end of the trading day for the weekend, man. I hope you guys are going to have a good one. And I don't know about you or me, but I can't wait till the market opens back up on Monday. Today's lesson, don't be holding. This is why I'm always going to be a scalper of the market. You can see here at 11:45, a ton of money was made on the bull side, right? Real bullish, man. A little bit of a fake out, a little bit of consolidation right here. Nice big pump. They came right back here at 10 o'clock and tested the previous day's closing price. And a little bit of action, man, right there, 11:45. But let's see what kind of money you can lose when you're greedy, right? Bulls, you got caught with your hand in the cookie jar today, didn't you? I just was taking a look at the option chain, man, and this is a good lesson, man, why you can beat the market by shorter moves, man. There's no reason to be greedy. If you're 2x your money, 3x your money, get out. It's enough for the day. They're just going to trap you, midday. Usually these option chains are going to make sure everyone else is holding a big bag of gorilla shit. And you can see here, I was looking at some of the call. All right, let's say you were positioning yourself on SPX for Monday coming up, and you're like, man, everything's good. We've been selling off for a while. We're going to be bullish, man. We're going back to all-time highs. And let's say you had the 7,350 strikes right here. Let's take a look at the price first. I never trade options anymore without looking at the price. And here's exactly why, man. You got to pass that grenade along. Yeah, like today, your option's still good till the end of Monday. If you were bullish, well, you invested $2,650. Right there, man, you're already at $4,000. A little bit of a shakeout. If you sold here, great, and then rebought here on the next pump. I mean, you can see right here, these guys are ready to go, man. You can see these candles right here. Like we're getting ready to go up one more level. They retested a really nice level there, man. Let's see what the price action was on that. The profit target. I mean, you're at $6,000, right? You've doubled your money. Get out, man. That's your sign to get out. When things are too good to be true, you need to get out, especially on a Friday, man. Look, and it's not coincidence. Look at the price of this option right here on the opening today, around $26.50. It's not a coincidence, my friends, that it's right back at $26.30 right when they close the bell, right? I mean, they just dumped a nice little dump right there so you can hold more gorilla shit. You're right back where you started. There's no point in really risking and holding these things over the weekend, man. These institutions, these market makers, they don't lose. They're going to make sure, that we're right back and reset where you started. And you might get lucky many a times. The market might gap up and you're in the green, but usually within a matter of a few minutes, they're going to level and balance that chain, and you're going to be right back to break even. So this is why we scout, man. This is a great way to make a living. I mean, what? With one contract? Imagine if you were trading 10 contracts, right? If you're trading 10 contracts today, by lunch, you were up 40,000 bucks. That's like on a normal salary these days. It's probably a good half your salary in a day for the year. Take the money and run, man. Don't let these market makers balance the chain on you, when you're up 2x, man. That's the lesson of the video, man. Don't be greedy. And you can go all the way back here, man. This option was written way back here on May 14th, man. You can see here it was 16 grand, rocketed to 31,000. They brought it right back to 8,700. Boom, 24 grand. And they just level the chain, man. As the market is dumping, man. that's what this is all about. You really have to figure out at what point right here you can start to see some resistance in the price. That's your sign to really bring up the charts, get into the minute, the 2-minute candles, the 5-minute, and get you a good, nice 20-minute trade on. You can see right here, there's lots of money to be made, but you don't want to get stuck holding the bag, especially when you're up 2x your money, right? If you've doubled up, you need to be out, because you can see right here, it's not a coincidence. They're going to make sure that option is almost right back where it started. And yeah, good luck, traders, and hopefully I'll put out some more videos next week. I really need to put out some more better quality ones. This is just me sharing some of the knowledge that I've built over the years, blowing accounts, and also, turning $2,000 into over 100,000, man. I think another few other trades I took, and I got lucky on one. I think I took $500, held over the weekend. The market tanked, and I made about, I turned that 500 into 36,000. So the power of options, man, is amazing. It really is. And one of the biggest trades I've ever seen in my life was last year on April 9th. I think it was when Trump basically decided to pause the tariffs. And I watched on the option chain for SPX a $5 expiration, $5 became $65,000. I mean, you would have been retired for $1,000. And not only did the move keep going, there was a quick shakeout. I think they stopped at like 45,000 to 65 grand by the closing bell. But where in the world do we ever have the opportunity? A few times a year, I think SPX goes 100,000%. You're going to get like monumental moves if you can set yourself up and really be watching prices and catching some of these zero DTEs on days where we get like a huge shakeup in the market. You can certainly turn $1,000 into 100 grand. And I've seen it, like I say, with my own eyes. Last year, April 9th, I watched $5 become 65,000. And it was very painful. The move was so fast, I was too afraid to enter because I had never seen the chain move like that before. But it turns out 5 to 6 times a year, you're going to get 100,000% move on SPX. And you got to be ready for it. You got to have dry powder ready to go. And I hope that I hit one, because if I do, I'll be making a video on it. But in the meantime, I like to try to teach everyone how to make $1,000 a day, and eventually I'll start doing some live trading throughout the intraday, and just recap of the market, man. Like and subscribe. Hopefully you guys have a wonderful weekend, and don't be greedy. You can see right here, it's not a coincidence, my friends, that they always reset you and get you right back to where you started. Peace.